Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Here in this video, today we are going to deep dive into what exactly is DevSecOps and what are the some fundamental basic principles that leverages DevSecOps from DevOps. And yeah, let's deep dive into the further discussion, how it is evolving and what are the key pointers to be considered. Let us discuss all about that. If you are a fresher or else if you are a experienced professionals moving to switch to DevOps or DevSecOps, obviously you have to have some basic fundamental knowledge on like many tools, at least one tool in each category, starting from source code management, testing, building, after that cloud and infrastructure provisioning, managing deployments, monitoring part, and in security part also. Security is not a tool or not a kind of specific stage the security should be there. It's not like that. Security means it will be, it should be, not will be, it should be at everywhere. DevSecOps majorly focuses on security rather than, sorry, including the DevOps methodology what it follows, like faster releases and good, I mean faster feedback, and the site should be reliable and scalable. Along with that, the security, I mean DevSecOps follows the added advantage of the security and shifting the security to the left. That means in the initial phase of the development life cycle, that is in the plan stage itself, the security was implementing. In the coding development phase, the security was implemented. In the source code management, the security was implemented. In the testing phase, it was implemented. In the build phase, and after that in the deployment phase, in the infrastructure scanning phase, in the SAST category, DAST category, SCA category, each and every category. There are different categories. I will going to discuss all about that in the further upcoming videos. But as of now, just as a beginner, let's say if you are as a beginner starting this, then you need to know some pointers. Don't get confused or overwhelming. It's like a knowledge bill. It works like a knowledge bill, and obviously if you are aiming or else interested in this particular domain, then obviously you get to know, like learn lot of things. Don't worry. In this like rapidly evolving digital landscape, we the security as, I mean we see the security threats and everywhere it is present, and it is crucial for organizations to embark their holistic approach that combines development, operations, and security. And let's say if I wanted to focus on specific organizations, especially in the banking tech sector, that means in the financial sector, and as nowadays the DevSecOps is accumulated by different tech sectors. From 2 to 3 years, this particular DevSecOps is, this methodology is getting wide popularity, and DevOps is from like last so many years, and DevSecOps as of now getting more popularity. And in future we can see, like as of now only we can see AIOps, MLOps, and FinOps. Okay. First of all, let's deep dive into a DevOps. Let's say uh, before going into a DevOps, it is very fundamental knowledge of understanding a DevOps, how we are getting integrated the security into the development and operations team, which is DevOps. How the development and operations, that is DevOps, performing a task. Let's say if we are creating a pipeline and we are just primarily focusing on the speed, agility, and getting faster feedback. Okay, that is the major focus on DevOps. What are all the ideal things needed for your DevOps pipeline was only 4 or 5 things we can say. That was source code management tool, after that continuous integration, after that continuous testing is not a mandatory, we can add a checklist as a continuous testing, and after that continuous delivery pipeline, and after that deployment involvement and monitoring tools. That's it. Now in this particular DevSecOps, some continuous integration part and continuous delivery part, the security is implemented as a checkpointers, that is source code review, static application security testing. There are wide variety of tools like Fortify, checkmarks, Snake, Git leaks, Git Guardian, Trivi, and based on the different category like SAST, DAST, ISE scanning, container scanning, Docker image scanning, API scanning, software composition analysis, software bill of materials SBOM, and cloud security posture management CSPM. In different categories, different tools will come. And especially in DevSecOps, securing applications is one of the important in our particular landscape, and it majorly focuses on vulnerability management in the early stages of the development life cycle. And especially if you talk about the ops in DevSecOps, it's like collaboration between the development, operations, and security teams. In ideal DevOps, the security will be considered nowhere in the CI/CD pipeline or development software development life cycle. It considered as a separate part, and after all the deployment, the security team is going to check whether it is fine, all the softwares and composition and code all are fine. If there is any bug, then it will come to the developer. That is how the ideal DevOps flow will works. But in the DevSecOps, as I said earlier, the security is shifted to the left. That means the security in the development phase itself, in the IDE itself, the security tools are implemented. And if you talk about your continuous improvement and continuous feedback, it lies both in DevOps and DevSecOps. By incorporating the feedback loop and leveraging the metrics, organizations especially can emphasize their security best practices and identify the vulnerabilities, and that will iterate their DevSecOps process very smoothly. And yeah, this is the pointers I wanted to discuss in this video especially. And if you have any further queries, please let me know. I will definitely collect more good information that everybody can understand. I even myself know the pointers what I am explaining was not that clear. The intention of me in my mind and my thoughts was not able to deliver you properly. Okay, definitely I will try to improve myself, and based on doing videos and collecting information and my experiences, definitely brings up a very brand new products upcoming days. Okay, then stay tuned. Thank you so much for your cooperation, love and support. Thank you. Bye.